Hello everyone, I'm going to go through this problem solving with you. This is finding a hotel on Maui. So here's the prompt. You're going on a trip to Maui with your friends. You want to find a hotel that you and your friends can share together so that everyone will split the cost of the room. Notice here they don't give you the number of friends you're going with. You're going to have to figure that out as we go on. Next, we have you want to find a room that will cost each person $60 or less per night. You must choose a hotel room from the list below that you can afford to stay in. Figure out how many people you will have to room with and how much each person will pay. So we have our list of rooms here. This came from Expedia. Um, Basically, this column shows the names of the hotels. This column shows the hotel ratings. The higher the star rating, the better. And this is how much it costs for each night. Um, so if we look at the bottom here, we have some blanks that we're going to have to fill in, and we have our workspace right here. Okay, let's begin. Let's start off with this. We know that each person should pay $60. So let's go ahead and make that bold. What we need to find out is how many people have to stay in the room and how much each person will pay. Okay, so let's start off by figuring out um, how much money we're going to have depending on the amount of people we have. So if we have one person, that equals $60. Okay, two people, that's 60 times 2, that's going to equal $120. Okay, three people, um, that would be 60 times 3, that's $180. So as I'm doing this, I'm looking at my hotel prices. I'm at 180 and I can't afford any of these hotels yet. And so let's keep going. Four people, let's see, that's $240. Five people, that's $300. Okay, with $300, looks like I can afford a multitude of hotels here. So let's say that I go for Maui Seaside Hotel right there. Okay, Maui Seaside Hotel. Let's go down here. I've chosen Maui Seaside Hotel for, what was it? $281 a night. Okay, good. Let's underline that. All right, next up, in order to stay at that hotel, I'm going to need 5 people to be in the same room. Let's go ahead and write that there. There needs to be 5 people in the room. Okay, most hotels in real life don't allow that though. I think the limit is 4 based on what the fire marshal's rules are. They don't want a hotel room too full, or else if there's a fire, people won't be able to escape in time. But we'll pretend that's not a rule for this activity. Let's take a look at our next one. The amount of money each person has to pay per night. Okay, so we know that our hotel costs $281 per night, and we know that 5 people are staying there. So we're gonna go ahead and do some long division. I'll go ahead and put the line over there after this. Okay, let's begin. 5 or 2 divided by 5, that's 0. That can't be done. Okay, so we end up with 2. Let's bring down the 8. 28 divided by 5. Closest we can get is 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm going to put minus 25 here. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Okay, let's line the numbers up as best we can. Okay, so we have 3 left. We'll bring down the 1. Let's go ahead and now we have 31 divided by 5. If I count by 5, the closest I can get is 6 because 6 times 5 is 30. So I'll go ahead and subtract 30. And I'll have 1. Okay, now at this point, there's a decimal here. I have to insert that decimal into the answer section. This is going to be my dollar amount, 56. Now we're going to figure out the cent amount. We're still going to bring down this 0 here. And we don't have to worry about bringing down a decimal. So we have 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we have 20 cents there so far. 10 minus 10 is 0. If you bring down this 0 over here, we have 0 divided by 5 is 0. So we have $56.20. Let's put our underline there. Okay, so that is how much each person has to pay, $56.20. Don't forget to label your answer. And here we will put $56.20. Whoops, let's undo that. Per night. Oh, I have to answer this in a sentence. Each person has to pay $56.20 per night. Okay, so this is basically how you would solve a problem like this. So let's go ahead and label this and line it up so it matches. There we go. Yep, this is how you would solve a problem like this. When you do this particular problem, do not use the same hotel that I used. Actually, I'll just go ahead and change the amount on this hotel so that nobody's answer matches mine. Okay, well, have a good day and I wish you luck. Remember, there are many possible ways to do this, and there are many different correct answers depending on which hotel you choose. Good luck to you and have a good day. Bye-bye.